welcome back to my channel. I'm Blair if you're new. Today I'm just gonna do like a day in my life. It's a Saturday. I'm off work. I'll be taking it easy. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. Had a horrible migraine yesterday, so I just need to take it easy and let myself recover. So I've been up for maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. Just put my contacts in and I'm having some coffee. I'll probably have breakfast shortly. And then I'd like to try to make a run to Trader Joe's this morning. I just want to stock up on some of the food that they have that I can't get any other place. And I also want to get some fresh flowers, and they have the best. So we'll try to get ready and head out to go up there. I think they open, like I said, in about 45 minutes. So I'll probably try to leave here about 7:45 maybe, if I'm moving fast enough. Like I said, I'm just a little tired. My head's still a little sore. So I'll let you know when we get started on doing actual things today. I'm back from Trader Joe's. I apologize now because the dishwasher is running. I thought it would be done before I got back, but I'm just gonna kind of show you what I got, and then I'll put everything away. But to start, I got some white and like orangish yellow tulips. I love getting fresh flowers from Trader Joe's. It's like my #1 thing I get there. They definitely last longer and they're cheaper than most grocery stores anyway. So I got those to freshen up the house. And then I think I'm just going to turn you around and show you everything else. So everybody always raves about the burritos. I'm not a fan of beans, but I did get these last time and they were really good. I've also heard of a lot of people talking about this chicken chow mein. Really easy to make and very tasty. These were something I've never seen before, but they're mini French baguettes that you keep in the freezer, and then you just make them as you want them in the oven. And then I think the last frozen thing I got were these dark chocolate covered banana slices, just so I have a sweet treat. Not right now, because again I gave up sugar until after, well, I should say unnatural sugar, until Easter. And then I got the Raises the Bar granola bars, and then I also got the ABC bars, which I really like. My sister-in-law talks about this vodka sauce all the time, so I got some to try. I got a couple of these French vanilla cold brew coffees just to have and try. And then I usually try to get like one like ginger turmeric shot while I'm out. So I got one of each today. Chomps are a really good snack and they're fairly healthy. So I got a turkey one, and then I thought I would try the jalapeno beef stick. Got a couple bananas for my oatmeal this week. I've really been loving like banana on top of my unsweetened oatmeal, and then I add like a scoop of peanut butter and some cacao nibs. I also got these last time and they were honestly really good. They're very spicy, so don't do it if you've been chewing on your lip, but they definitely taste good. And then I've gotten these in the past and they're just a really good light snack. And honestly, I love popcorn. But popcorn doesn't like me. I swear I get them stuck in my gums all the time, like the little clear kernel things. And this sometimes gives me the taste of popcorn without having to worry about that problem. So there's just kind of a overview again of what I pretty much got. But I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff put away. My flowers. I know they don't look like much, but that's because I tried to pick the ones that were the least amount of open so they'll last longer. But I'll try to show you guys again once they open up some more and get real pretty. And I don't know about you, but I just love fresh flowers. They make me so happy, and it definitely is a huge symbol of spring. So I love getting tulips. They're like my favorite flower. So I put away the groceries, did my flower arrangement, which I showed you. I think I'm gonna go outside. It's actually sunny and decent temperature. It's not too hot. And I wanna start a fire in my fire pit to burn up some branches that are in the yard. And I also need to kind of pull out the weed whacker and weed eat around. I have this like wooden framework that's kind of put in the ground, but it's not completely in. It was to help me create a level space when I had a swimming pool up. But the grass has really grown around it, and it's kind of dangerous for somebody that isn't familiar with it being there. They can kind of easily twist their ankle because the grass has grown so bad around it. So I'm going to kind of weed whack around that. Burn branches, and then probably come in and have some lunch. But let's go get the fire started first so that can be going while I'm doing everything else. That I'm sweaty, very dirty, and most of that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and then probably heat up some food for some lunch because I am getting hungry. All right, as you can tell, I have showered. I feel much better now that I'm clean. I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch. So to try and use up like what I got in the house, and like I said, I've been trying to eat veggies at least once a day. If I eat more, great, but I'm aiming for at least once. So today I'm gonna actually make some pizza rolls in the air fryer just to use up what I got, and then I have a bunch of like broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and some dip. So I'm gonna have that for lunch because tonight's plans to eat out, and I am kind of craving Taco Bell, so that's what I'll be having for dinner. But let's get lunch made because I am starving. All right, so here's lunch: pizza rolls, the dip, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower. I had more. I was eating it while I was waiting for the pizza rolls. So I'm gonna go sit down and eat my lunch and probably watch like a Hallmark mystery movie I just have saved on my DVR, and just kind of relax for a little bit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and unload the dishwasher and put away the dishes, and then I'm gonna have some more cold coffee, watch the rest of my movie, and then try to do a little bit of my meal prep for the week, which I'll show you a little bit later. But let me go ahead and get the dishwasher taken care of so I can go back to my movie. So here's my setup. I got my mini waffle maker out because I'm gonna make like these Kodiak cake waffles, which I think I've explained before. They cost a lot to buy them pre-made frozen, so I've learned to just buy the mix, and then I can make them in my mini waffle maker, and then I'll let them cool. Once they're cooled, I'll throw them in the freezer, and then I can throw them in the toaster when I want them later on. So this will be the first meal prep item I'm gonna do. the second thing I'm gonna meal prep is this Rice-A-Roni Spanish rice. I just make it based on the directions. So it makes for a very simple lunch because I just, sorry, my hair is just not jiving with me today. Anyway, so I just make the rice and I throw it in the fridge, and then I can make like Spanish rice burritos for lunch. Really easy. Just heat up the rice, add a little cheese, some sour cream, and it also gives me a reason to use up the rest of those low carb tortillas. Okay, so I'm pretty much done, and I'm sure you kind of saw that I was cleaning the house as I was waiting for all these waffles to be made. So they're done. I'm just waiting for them to finish cooling so I can throw them in a Ziploc bag, and then I put them in the freezer. That way I can just heat them up later when I want them. So I had 10 that I already put in the freezer, and then I'll put these ones together. This I already kind of wiped down, and I'm just letting it cool off. I need to wash the cutting board, and then I still need to do this counter and this counter, and then the kitchen's done, as well as all my cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and try to wash the cutting board if the waffle maker's cool enough for me to touch it. Obviously you can tell the sun's shining over here. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm probably gonna start to head up to Taco Bell to get my dinner. Okay, I'm back from Taco Bell. Got my dinner, so I'm gonna sit down and eat and then probably edit this video so it can go up tomorrow. But I hope everybody enjoyed watching my day and what I did to stay productive, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.